my friends, and welcome to Bal Vatika. Now, what we do today? Today we are going to learn something new and interesting. But which one? Tell me. Okay, it's about vegetables. It's so healthy for health. See, what do you see on your screen? Very yummy and healthy vegetables. Did you like vegetables? Yes, very good. Me too. Now, one by one we will learn about vegetables and their taste. Okay, which one first? It's a potato. It's called आलू का चालू बेटा कहाँ गया था? बैंगन की टोकरी में सो रहा था. बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहा था. मम्मी ने प्यार किया हंस रहा था. Who is it? Potato. Now next one is onion. Onion is a little bit spicy. Okay, and color is like pink color. Now next one is tomato. Red tomato. Yay! टमाटर और टमाटर लाल लाल टमाटर रस से भरा टमाटर सीधा काटो टेढ़ा काटो नमक डालो मिर्च डालो खाओ मज़े से टमाटर. This is tomato. Next one, oh, it's a lady finger. It looks like lady finger, that's why we say it's a lady finger. Next one, brinjal. Brinjal is a, tell me, king of vegetable. It looks like a king. Yes. Now it's a cabbage. It's a leafy vegetable. Okay. Next one is a green peas. Yummy green peas. Now it's a carrot. Orange and red carrot. Carrot is a very healthy vegetable. It's very good for our eyes. Yes, it's a pigeon pea. It's found only in South Gujarat. Yes, it's a scapegoat. Next one is fevicric. Yes, it's a bitter taste. It's a taste of little bit bitter. The next, pointed gourd. Then next which is a cauliflower. Yes, white cauliflower. Yes. It's a curd. This is also found only in South Gujarat. Now it's a buttergourd. It's also very healthy, and it's a good for our what? It's a good for our mind and body. It's so cute. Now I know it's a capsicum. Oh my God, capsicum. We found capsicum in 3 colors. One is green, red, and yellow. Yes, it's a garlic. It's so spicy. Actually, these are the spices. This is a crust. It's a bitter gourd. Oh my God, I don't like this. It's yuck because it's so bitter. Its taste is so bitter. Oh my God, but it's very healthy. Okay, you have to eat. Next one, lemon. Lemon, yellow lemon. We make a juice from lemon. Yes. Next one is a chili. Oh my God, it's so spicy. When I eat chili and I ask Mama, please give me water. Oh, it's so hot, so spicy. And like this. So this is chili, green and red chili. These are spinach. This is also a what? Leafy vegetable. Next one, French beans. It's a coriander. Coriander is also a very useful and very helpful for our eyes. Then it's a cucumber. Cucumber, we can eat cucumber as a salad. Right. It's a radish. And next, corn. I like so much. Did you like? Yes, corn. It's a sweet potato. Yes. Next one, beetroot. Beetroot. What color? Tell me. Yes, dark pink color. Yeah. So these all are vegetables. Why we eat vegetables? We eat vegetables for our health. Yes. Now Promise me? Okay? Then you'll eat every day. All vegetables you can eat every day. Okay? Now, next one. Thank you. And don't forget, like, share and subscribe. And as usual, write your comment in your comment box. Bye bye.